Hello, guys. How are you? Are you good? Mm-hmm. Nice. Oh, all classes here. Nice. I'm very glad that you are here. Now let's start our lesson, and today we need to talk about the TV programs. Yeah? Be ready to work with me. Okay? Менімен жұмыс істеуге дайын болыңыздар. Let's start. This is the aim, criteria, and the description. And of course, let's start with that one. Now, now, class, take a pen, please, and match the words with photo. Okay? Match the words with photo. So first one is the news. So what is the news? Could you find it? Anju, let's start with that one. You need to match it, okay? Now I will take the second part. Just a moment. This one.
The news.
The news, okay.
Cookery show.
Yes, cookery show. The news, where is the news? Could you find it here? Жаңалықтар. Cool. Where's the news? This one, yeah? Okay, very good. Next is Russell, cookery show. Where is the cookery show? Take a pen, please draw it. Экранда қалам бар. Соменен бүйтіп барыңыздар, yeah? Take it and go. With a pen, match it. Yes, this is the news. Next one. Sport program, music program. Please show me. Take a pencil and draw it. Yes, what is it? Second is cookery show, yes? Where is the cookery show? How do you say? Do you find? I get him. Where is the cookery show? Take a pen and you may draw it, yes? Like this. Cartoon. Do you find the cartoon? TV programs. Cartoon. Imran? Where is the cartoon? Switch on the microphone, please.
Мультфильм қарау.
Multfilm. Where is the multfilm? I think this one, yeah? Next is this one. What is it? Aha. Next one, Enggar. Aha.
Sports program.
Yes, this is sports program.
Спорттық шоулар.
Showlar, very good. Do you see here sports program? Uh-huh. Where is this? This one, yeah, I think. Uh-huh. Cool. Aykerim. Next program is what is? Mm-hmm.
Program.
Yes, this is music program. So what photo is it? What photo? Mm-hmm. You can go here. Yes, this is music program. Uh-huh. And this one is what? Uh-huh. What is it? Mm-hmm. Aykerim. This is documentary, yes? Uh-huh. Documentary. What is it documentary? Enggar, what is it documentary? How do you say? Yes?
Документарлық программалар.
Yes, very good. Documentary, very good. Next program is, what is it? Mm-hmm. Mirjan? Uh-huh. Cool. Next program
Quiz
is?
show.
Yes, very good. Quiz. What is it quiz show? Uh-huh. What is it quiz? Yes, very good. Nice, nice. Next is weather forecast. What is it? Uh-huh. Керек, weather forecast. Yes, weather forecast. What is it? How do we say?
Which forecast?
Yes, weather forecast. Only? Uh-huh.
Ауа райы.
Yes, very good. Ауа райын айту, иә, болжау көрсету. Next one is келесін Russell.
Talk show.
Yes, this is talk show. What is it talk show? Uh-huh. Yes, what is it talk show? How do you understand? Arsen, next one is? Uh-huh. Next one? Arsen? Commercial, yes, commercial. What is it commercial? Uh-huh. Commercial. Who knows? Ол не ол commercial деген? Uh-huh. Алихан?
Таланттық шоу.
Uh-huh. Talent show, very good. And the last program is Egeram. Last program. Uh-huh.
Talent show.
No, last program, last.
Children's program.
Yes, this is children's program. So today we just talked about the kinds of programs. Yeah, we have prepared about that. Now let's work with the next slide. Oh, now, uh-huh. балалар бос орынға тиісті сөздерді қойып шығыңыздар. Жаңа аттарын үйреніп алдыңыздар, иә? You have just learned it. Now, please write it down. Төмен жаққа жазу керек. Жазыңыздар, қаламды аламыз. Only 1, 2 letters is enough, okay? 1 or 2 letters is enough. Let's start. First show what is. Second show what is. DC, is it clear for you? Yes. Так, бұл емес, мынаусын алайық, иә, одан да. Ого, good. Just a moment. This program, I think, yes, cool. Осысы жақсы сияқты. Now, let's talk about. TV programs, match it. Yeah, please match it. Қаламды ала қойыңыздар, қаламды. And match it. Write it down. Yes, nice. Sport program. Next is. Weather forecast. Cool, cool, cool. Cartoons. Nice. Music show. Cool. Yes, next is. Music show. There's some film here, yeah? Sitcom. Sitcom, it is situational comedy, okay? Sitcom, situational comedy. Soap opera. Opera, yeah? Yes, film, nice. Nice. Reality show. Yes, what is it? Talk show. Nice. Cool. Very good. Tamasha. And just a moment. What is it? What is it? What is it? Situational. And last one, what is it? Weather forecast. Cool. Тамаша, балалар, сіздер жақсы түсініпсіздер. You show me that you understand very good. This is the programs that we see it every day, yes? Every day we see it. Cool. Now, let's talk about that. Very good. Al, olay bolsa tekstpен жұмыс жасап көрейік. Very good. So, many information I have just prepared, yes? Let's talk with Anju, please you. Anju, first text.
My sister Sandy likes love films. She always watches them. Her favorite film is Pretty Woman. I never watch love films. I think they are very boring. I like detective films best. They are exciting because there is a lot of action. I never watch TV in the morning. Mom like music programs. The pop group she likes best is the Jonas Brothers. I like the. I sometimes watch hits of them with her.
Very good.
My brother me only watches the news. He says it's very interesting. He doesn't like the other programs. My second brother Ken loves westerns. He thinks if Americans, cowboys, and horses are wonderful.
Wonderful, very good. So, in this little text, what does it talk in last lesson? In this little texts, what do they talk? Anju? Anju, айтауы? What do you understand it in 2-3 sentences?
Бұл жерде ағасының әпкесінің көретін фильмдері туралы
жақсы көретін, programs, yeah, programs. And tell me about you. What kind of programs do you like much? By using this text, you can tell me about your program, okay? So, what program do you like much? What is it? Anju, about you? Okay, be ready. And after that, we will give question to you. Arsen, next one, next text. Please, next text. Yes.
My mom is favorite TV program is Nature News. It is about animals. So it is very interesting. She always watches it. Me too. Watch her sports programs every. Didn't I tell as a football? What's on TV in think football matches are boring, but we don't like them very
much. Very much.
We watch some favorite program is the Muppet. So
Muppet.
it is
Muppet
on
show.
every
Yes. Mhm.
to
Sunday.
Sunday
Mhm.
in the Aaron trains. It
Mhm.
is tried. I never watch it.
Mhm.
I like cartoons best. I think they were extinct.
Exciting, yes, exciting.
Min prometmes tells me to watch nature programs, but I don't like time.
Like them, yes. Nature programs. Nature programs, it connected with the nature, yes. Okay, like discovery, geography. Okay, very nice. Тамаша. We read two texts, yeah. Біз екі текстті оқып шықтық. Now, let's continue with Айгерім. Айгерім, first question. Answer the questions by using the text. Please start first.
Which films does Sandy like?
Yes. Жауап бере ғой.
Pretty Woman.
Yes, very good.
She
Pretty woman. She always watches it. Yes, she always watches it. Cool. Nice. Russell, second question. Russell, second question, please.
Whose program is about nature?
About nature. What favorite program is about nature? Find it from the text, okay? Answer it. Yes, what is it? Yes. Who wants to answer? Кім жауап береді осы сұраққа? Yes, who wants to answer? Mirjan? Whose favorite program is about nature? Табамыз сұрақтың жауабын.
Аудармасыз.
Number 2. Second. Second question. Жауабын білсеңіздер, микрофонды қосып айтыңыздар. Whose favorite program is about nature? Alina, do you know? What program is it? Whose favorite program is it? Кім тапты жауабын? Find it, please, quicker. Arsen, Russell. Мейіржан. Жауабын білсеңіздер, микрофонды қосып. Yes, very good. This is your mom, yeah? Your mom's favorite program. Cool. Айгерім, 3. Third question.
What does Tommy watch?
Yes. What does Tommy watch?
Tommy only watches news.
Yes, very good. Tamasha. Cool. Thank you very much. Nice. Fourth question, Andrew, your turn.
Which pop group does Paul's mom like best?
Yes.
The group she likes best is the Jonas Brothers.
Yes, very good. Jones Brothers. Cool. Thank you. Alina, 5-1. 5. Yes. Alina, please show me. Read exercise. 5 question.
When do you watch the Muppet Show?
Yes. When does Sam watch it? Yes. Answer?
Every Sunday in the afternoon.
Yes, very good. Nice, nice. Cool. You're working with text. Yes? Very good. Mirjan, 6-1, please.
What does Paul think about detective films?
Yes, detective films. Okay. What does Paul think about detective films? Yeah, about Paul. Yes. Do you find it?
I like detective films.
Very good. They are exciting, yes?
They are exciting because there is a lot of action.
Action. Very good. Action. Detective filmda ne көп дейді? Action. Әрекеттер көп, иә? Пистолетпен жүгіреді, басқа қылады. Cool. Тамаша. Next is Arsen. Your turn.
Менікі де шығып кетіп жатыр.
7-1. Seven.
Which programs are bearing for Tina?
Yes.
Football match.
Fortuna is very boring. Cool. Tamasha. Thank you. Next is Imran. 8-1. Imran. Are you here?
Imran шығып кетті.
Okay. Жақсы. Next is Mirjan'dan сұрадым. Russell, your turn, please. 8-1.
What can you say in dreams?
Western, yes. What can you see in Western? Western деген. Одан не көреміз Westernнан? What do we see?
Yes, he's never watched love films.
Yes. Next. This is Native Americans, yeah? Cowboys, horses. All that one we see in Western. Okay? Cool. Nice. Berek, 9-1.
What can we see in Western?
No, 9-1. Please, 9-1. Aha. Nine one, please. Берік, тоғызыншы. Nine. Aha. Тоғызыншы.
Windows who never watch TV.
Yes. Aha. Answer, please. Never watch TV. When? When does Paul never watch TV? Mm-hmm. Yes, please tell me.
I never watch TV in the morning.
Yes, very good. In the morning. Cool. Thank you. Andrew, 10-1.
When are there football matches on TV?
Yes.
Every Wednesday there is a football match on TV.
Cool. Thank you. And the last one, I get 11.
Which program does Tina like best?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
He like cartoons best.
Yes, she likes cartoons best. Very good. So by these little texts, we made many questions and answer it. Yes? Okay, cool. Now, in last parts of our lesson is test. Let's start with I Kerem. Number one, we conclude our lesson by doing test. Okay? Үлкейтейін, yeah? It is so little. I Kerem, please read the first one.
The news.
So first is what? Бірінші, екінші, үшіншіні жасай ғой. First one, what do you see?
First one is the news.
The news. Number two?
Second two, quiz show.
Quiz show question. Very good. Giving question. Three?
And three, cookery show.
Cookery show. Very good. Tamasha, Rahmet. Next is Mirjan. 4, 5, 6.
Music, Fox.
Yes, this is weather forecast. Cool. Next is
Cartoon.
yes, this is cartoon. And sixth one is
Talk show.
this is talk show. Cool. Very good. Tamasha. Next is Ankar. 7-1. 7, 8, and the 9. 7, 8, 9.
Talk show.
This is it talk show? This is 7.
Sports program.
Yes, this is sport program. 8. 8. What is it?
Commercial.
Yes, this is commercial because this is discount 75% here. 9.
Music program.
Yes, this is music program. Very good. And last one is Nrasal, Seneca, 10, 11, 12. What is it? Russell? 10, 11, 12. Uh-huh. 10, 11, 12.
A talent show.
Yes, first is talent show. 11.
documentary.
Yes, cool. Documentary. And 12 is?
Children program.
Yes, very good. This is children's program. Very good. So today we are talking about TV program, especially with the types of, yes. And we did this test for you. Now I will tell you that lessons is over. You will see it on YouTube of ourselves and it will be cool, yes. Now let's is bye bye. See you on the next week, I think. Yes. Bye bye. Сау болыңыздар. Сабақ аяқталды. Дерси. Үй тапсырмасын слайдтан аласыздар. Жақсы ма? Көріскенше.